Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello, I'm Jonah Rose, bringing a touch of 3D printed magic to this festive season. Today's special creation, a charming Christmas decoration straight from the AnkerMake app. You can also find it on their website at makeitreal.ankermake.com. With no modifications to the file, this piece unfolds through 761 layers in just under 4 hours. Its hollow center and absence of scaffolding make it an elegant yet simple print. I chose a unique filament, half light blue, half yellow matte PLA. As it prints, it blends into a soft pastel mint gradient, bringing a unique aesthetic to the design. Notice the little star portholes dotting this festive tree? They're perfect for creative lighting. Here, I've used a mini flashlight to illuminate it from within. This decoration isn't just a tree, it's a beacon of the holiday spirit, glowing softly amidst the winter's embrace. If you enjoyed this blend of 3D printing and holiday cheer, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay creative and merry.